what is night blindness?
Yes. Some people can see during the daylight clearly, but during the night they cannot see clearly. In fact, they cannot differentiate between colors. They cannot differentiate between green light and red light. So this is called night blindness. They are not totally blind, but they can see just features of people and things. They can find out their way to somewhere they want to go, but they cannot distinguish between colors. This is called night blindness.